Hello guys, welcome back to this video. And this video I'm going to show you how I can center an image in CSS. All you have to do, as you can see, I have copied the link of this image in my HTML code. This is the link of the image, and you have to just edit the link by adding class, and I'm going to write the name of the class is equals to tutorial. I have also linked CSS with this HTML code, and I will go to my CSS and I have to write down dot tutorial, the name of the class, which is, and now I have to write display block, and now I have to write margin right auto, and now margin left, and that also as auto. And now, as you can see, if I run the image, it is in the center. So that's it for the video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.